everyone. We're here with a new episode of my trading journals. Today, um, we have on day. Mondays are Mondays are quite exciting. Um, and yeah, that that's that's what we have today. Volume is pretty high, as you can see, 15 points around here, 13, 11, which is usual for Monday. 9 points. This one, 2 points, and we are currently apparently going up, which might not be of my liking always. I changed the ATR visuals just to make them kind of easier. I think I would say that um, to relate the candle with the ATR, and it is also easier to see like how much and how is the volume changing because it is kind of more connected. And yeah,
Order
let's start
filled.
off by buying here, considering that it has been going up for a while. I don't know if I
Stop
should have
filled.
done that. Yeah, that was definitely not the best movement. Let's calm down. I'm kind of more excited as last time, $30 down. So taking a little breaths here. There's some days that the screen just makes you wanting to do everything just to see a weird number. But the point is that you have to control that to manage yourself. Let's make this a little bigger.
Order filled.
Come on. I think it is.
Stop filled.
Okay, so for some reason it stopped moving that much. So we'll have to wait for the volume to regulate itself again. If the next trade is not a win, I'm going to have to leave. I went to state that I didn't trade before. I mean that I didn't meditate before this session of trading, which might affect my cognitive capacity or some of that sort. Like maybe I'm not that focused or not in my best cognitive point. So let's be patient here until it standardizes something. just feel way too scary to buy at this point. But it doesn't seem like selling though. Hard decision. Decision, I mean. Let's wait a little bit more on this candle.
Order filled.
Bad entry. Really bad one.
Stop filled.
Yeah. I can't allow myself to keep trading. Uh, what can I say? This, like, the only thing I can say right now is that I was so damn stupid. Uh, but yeah, I didn't realize, like, I couldn't know if it was going to keep going that way. Just I didn't have the feeling that it would do. Why would you be asking? Well, because in first place, like, usually, and the last couple of days, things haven't been moving this way. Like, how much time has passed since a movement like this happens? Like, a lot, a lot. I'm basically swearing here. That is why I didn't push ups in push up in neither of my trades, since this is not something that happens too much, and didn't give me the confidence to enter. Like, every time I doubted, it was just even more late for me to do it. I, let's just suppose that I would buy here. Let's just be in that situation and speed this up to see what was next. Okay, so the pivot finally happened, and here I think this would show why I didn't bow out. Look, yes, the price went down, but as you can tell, it wasn't like that hard. This big, this decision to just put the price up. Um, yeah, I have basically no commentary. This was just a whole fail of mine, whole lack of trust. Of I think it was a custom to, like, usually you see more movements like this part. Uh, Here, like this one. This is just nasty, at least for what I have considered a normal day of trading. Let's just draw this thing here, just so look at that. What kind of derivative is that? Not this is not normal. Simply isn't. Um, so what happens when you go against something that is not usual? Well, you have to go against your beliefs. The learning of today is that you can be accustomed to something, but market always changes. So you gotta change with it. You have to be able to catch and risk and know what is going to happen while you're there, and be aware of the changes of the kind of movements, as well. As I also didn't realize that before I entered this, there was this. Let me put this. There was this four candle thing going up. Uh, yeah, it was just a whole failure. Mm, that's what I have to say. Next time I have to be even more aware and see that when there are movements that are this strong, as you can tell by the ATR, I just should act with the market, which wasn't working for a while. I mean, 50 days before, I could be really sure that I would have buy here. Uh, but I didn't this time because I was now used to trading places like this and not here. So change with the market, apply what you know to what is actually happening in the market, and next time I'm going to make sure of actually meditate before trading, which I feel like it might make a difference. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for watching and see you next time. For the record, again, mine is $200. See ya.